Hey, what's up fellow shoppers? Right now, dito tayo sa Gateway Rustan at meeting kami ng mga car seats for our kids. Currently, we're looking at the Akeeva brand as our main choice. So, the red one is the Explorer and the black one is the Balem model. Ang pricing difference nila is yung Explorer, which is the red one, nasa 11,000, and itong black one is 12,000. The exact price niya is 10,999 and 11,999. So yun, we're just doing a quick look on the available brands right now. Like I said, so far pinaka pasok sa budget and yung pinaka okay in terms of its quality is the Akeeva brand, sa mga naka-display dito. So they don't have a lot of items in stock. These are the Akeeva brands. And ito naman ang Ashworthy. Ashworthy, mas cheaper siya. Pero ang problem is, feeling ko medyo hindi maganda yung quality na ginamit nila. You can see here, madaling mag-flex yung materials na ginagamit nila. And I have a feeling that if ever something happens, is madali siyang masira. Again, this is the Ashworthy version. So, kitang-kita madaling mag-flex yung plastic na ginagamit nila for the whole seat. And now I'm going to be doing a test for the Akeeva brand and trying to flex the space of the car seat. And so far, parang matatag siya, matibay. PCER 4404 approved. So again, yung price point ng red is nasa 11K and yung black and gray version is 12K. Finally, nakapag-decide kami ng asawa ko na bumili ng Akeeva brand. Maraming salamat sa tulong ni Albert ng Gateway Rustan sa pag-assist sa amin to find the right car seat. So, kagandahan ng unit ito is that ito ay 360. Pwede mo siyang iikot. Either front-facing or rear-facing yung buong carrier niya. So, you just pull this and then rotate the whole base. So, yung first na ikot niya, pwede dito. Pero syempre, hindi naman siya ideal na naka-face up pinto. So, you just pull it again. Then it's gonna lock it to place. Okay, so I'll just turn it around again. Right, so extra features nito is that you can adjust the headrest by just pulling this up. And na-increase na natin yung headrest for the passenger. Then if we need to put this down again, we just pull up and then push down. So pull up on this lever here and pull down the whole thing. Okay, so to adjust this, let's say may sasakay na, para ma-adjust natin yung strap na, you just need to pull a lever here. Okay, and then we're gonna pull this aside. So yan, na-increase na natin yung strap. And if you need to tighten this out, you just need to pull this. Okay. And yung locking mechanism niya, para ma-secure yung passenger, is located here. Para ma-fasten natin yung passenger, kailangan lang natin kabit to like so. Okay, and then we're just gonna secure it here, and if we need to disengage, we just need to press down on the left red switch, and yun, tanggal na siya. So ang gandahan nito is ito ay isang convertible style na car seat na pasok sa ages of 0 to 12. So pwede natin tanggalin itong mga foam niya to make way for a bigger passenger, and at the same time get this up for a bigger kid. And then meron siyang insert dito for a pillow back, so if medyo hindi comfortable to, which is included in this car seat, you can switch it out for a better pillow. So we can secure this into our car in two ways. One is via the ISOFIX. So kung may naka-install po tayong ISOFIX sa kotse, madali na natin makakabit to. And the other is via our traditional seat belts. And dalawa yung pwede natin pagkabitan. One is dito sa blue and one is dito sa red. And then papaikutin lang natin, papadaanin natin yung seatbelt sa likod ng foam at ilalabas natin dito to secure the seatbelt. So first is i-shoot natin yung ating seatbelt dito sa blue, and then dito shoot natin itong sa baba dito sa singit niya. Okay, so now papadaanin natin sa likod ng strap and sa ilalim ng foam, so better remove the foams muna. Okay, so that's the first strap. And dito papunta siya. So afterwards is i-shoot na natin dito sa provided na lock for the seatbelt. And then we just re-tighten the seatbelt. Okay, so after this, may isa pang point of securing our car seat, which can be found dito sa likod. There's some strap dito that we can use and to secure the back part. So all we need to do is click on this switch and pull this out. So ang gagawin natin is we're gonna use this to secure under the seat. And papadaanin natin dito sa likod. from here, dadaanan natin dito sa ilalim ng kotse at ilalim ng upuan para ma-lock in place. Ideally, meron tayong clamp under the seat para ma-lock yung itong clamp na to. But in my case, dito ko siya sa ilalim pinadaan. So, andito siya. And then, hihilahin ko na lang ulit itong buong strap. Kumuha din kami ng isa pang unit. Same brand, Akeeva. But in this case, iba yung model niya, which is Balem. Yung pangalan. Basically, ang difference lang nito is hindi siya umiikot tulad ng Xplore 360. Kung paano siya ikabit, same thing. Yung paano mag-adjust ng strap, it's the same thing. Difference lang talaga is hindi siya umiikot. And medyo mas mahal to by 1,000 dahil yung texture ng pinaka foam niya is parang velvet. So masarap hawakan. So tama-tama for kids with sensitive skin. And same thing, ano siya, adjustable from 0 to 12 years old.
Today we're gonna test the car seat. And don't forget, hi guys, my name is Zach.
Like that. And
We're gonna go test for a drive.
okay, so this one still a bit loose, right?
Yeah. And it's
So what
very
we
hot.
do So what we do is we just pull this strap here. Tell me if it's tight enough.
Okay.
Can you still move?
Not tight.
Not tight enough. Wait a minute. I'm still pulling the strap.
I'll help you.
No, not like that.
Tighter. That's it.
It's good enough?
Yeah.
Can you breathe?
Yeah, but not a little. We're gonna go test for a drive for a while.
Test drive.
Test drive.
Are you comfy?
Yes.
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 It's not too tight.
Yeah.
You feel like, can you sleep there? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys, today my name is Jessica and today we're gonna go sit down at the car seat. We can drive over in the car seat.
Oh, your hands.
The street over there. I'm not gonna.
Is it tight?
Yeah. Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and nakatulong sa pag-decide kung worth it sa inyo itong product na to or not. Hope you like and subscribe. Adios.